2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at it from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Beach Boys, Surfing in the USA. Super easy. If we just want to play the chords, we got A major. 1, 2, 3. We got E major. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got D major. 1, 2, 3. That's the only chords. Okay, so let's talk about the switching. So start with that lick. For more advanced players, we can do that a little later. So A. So that's the verse with the stops. You can play down, 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 up, down, up. So down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, break. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, go to D. Down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down. There, D. Down, 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 down. Now the chorus, same chords, but now we're not gonna stop. We're gonna keep playing. Down, 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 up, down, down, down. D major. Major, second verse, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 2, D major, 2, 3, 4, A major, 2, 3, 4, E major, chorus, E major. All the parts. The intro is as 7 on the A string, 6 new string, 7, and then you want to grab 5 and 5 on the B and E string, and then you go back to 7, G string to 5 to 6. Start over and on the A there. we strum, and we strum, and we strum. E, go to D, back to A. If I switch to D and A. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. Fun, easy song. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool hits. Be safe. Thank you.